Greetings, and thank you for taking the time to view this video. My name is Jeannne Zucker, and I am honored to be running for the Board of Directors of the Urgent Care Association of America. This is an important role, and I'm excited about the opportunity to commit my time, energy, industry knowledge, as well as my leadership abilities to this organization. Let me take a minute to tell you a little bit about myself and then what I believe I can bring to the Board of Directors and the association members and key stakeholders. Currently, I'm the Vice President of Client Development with Athena Health. In this capacity, I support clinicians across the continuum of care with cloud-based services for revenue cycle management, electronic health records, population health, and care coordination. I manage the urgent care segment specifically for Athena Health and have been focusing on the value urgent care operators provide within our healthcare delivery system. In fact, in my hometown of Portsmouth, New Hampshire, we are just beginning to see urgent care gain momentum. Similarly, as a transplant from New Jersey, where I grew up just north of Asbury Park, exit 109 off the Garden State Parkway to be exact, and yes, I am a Jersey girl and a fan of Bruce Springsteen's. In New Jersey, we are also seeing strong growth of urgent care in the market, as well as numerous health system relationships beginning to emerge. In addition to my role with Athena Health, I'm also the President Emeritus of the Healthcare Businesswomen's Association, a community of 30,000 healthcare executives and professionals committed to furthering the advancement and impact of women and men in healthcare through professional development, leadership development, mentoring, and networking. I mention this because as we find ourselves growing the urgent care market, we will need to tap resources like the Healthcare Businesswomen's Association and other organizations to help us draw talent to our market segment, cultivate that talent, and develop our people, our clinicians and teams to assume progressively greater responsibilities and leadership roles within our industry. I have been in healthcare my entire career, and I find it a compelling and dynamic place to be. As a UCAOA board member, I will enthusiastically lend my expertise to program development and education, as well as to the development of broader strategic relationships with other organizations and associations. I have already served on the UCAOA Education Services Committee, contributing market insights to the association board and helping to advance our online education and local conference event opportunities. Serving on the board, I will work to offer market-based visibility and benchmarking data through Athena's cloud-based platform and resources to advance financial and administrative best practices within the urgent care industry. My experience with the Healthcare Businesswomen's Association affords me a strong understanding of how associations work and where they can best contribute value to their constituents. I will apply this experience to support the board in their efforts to compete effectively within the market and deliver meaningful, relevant value to key stakeholders. So, as our time draws to a close, I look forward to meeting many of you in Chicago, perhaps heading out to the Cubs game together, an event which I have helped to plan for our spring convention. I would appreciate your vote, and I believe intently I can contribute actively to our mission and vision. Together, we can make healthcare work as it should and advance the important work ahead within urgent care. See you in the Windy City, and thank you for your support.